Welcome back to Godserv Designs. In this tutorial, we'll be diving into Microsoft Word and exploring a specific task, inserting an image into a shape. We'll be using the Blue Sky Funeral Program template as an example. So, let's get started. Alright, I've already opened Microsoft Word and I've got the Blue Sky Funeral Program template ready. Now, the first thing you want to do is identify the shape where you want to insert the image. In our case, we'll use a circular shape. Let me share my screen with you. Here's the template, and we'll focus on this circular shape right here on the cover. Click on the shape to select it. You should see the bounding box around the shape, indicating it's selected. Next, find your way to the Shape Format tab in the top menu. Seek out the Shape Fill option and give it a click. Choose the Picture option, then pick the image to insert. The From File option lets you navigate to the image on your computer. Once the image is in place, it might need a little tweaking. Select the image and head over to the Picture Format tab in the main menu. Choose Crop and then Fill. This sets the image to fit proportionally in the box, no squeezing or shrinking. The bounding box of the image should now be visible, and you can use this to resize the image or move it into the perfect position within the shape. Depending on your project, you might want to add some extra flair to the image. Play around with effects, borders, or crop the image to fit perfectly within the shape. And voila, you've just inserted an image into a shape in Microsoft Word using the Blue Sky Funeral Program template. You can find a link to purchase this template from Etsy.com in the description below. And remember, these steps can be used for any Microsoft Word project that uses a shape as an image placeholder. Hopefully, this tutorial has been a help. If there are any lingering questions or a specific tutorial you'd like to see in the future, drop a comment down below. And while you're here, why not like this video, subscribe to Godserv Designs, and smash that notification bell. That way, you'll always be in the loop with our latest tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.